Hello my friends and welcome back to my channel. And if you are new here, I'm Andre Drago, a professional athlete, and today I'm gonna show you some pads workout and how you can do a very good pads workout outside in the gym. It doesn't matter where. Doing with a partner. I will do today with a good friend of mine, Robin. He will hold the pads for me. And today I'm gonna show you how your partner or how you yourself should hold the pads so you will do a very good workout. So let's do this. First, we gotta start with the left hand. Use your bottom position, and you will hold the pads. Look the way how he holds the pads. I will throw very slowly and very gentle the left hand so you can see everything. Now I'll do it a little bit faster. Now a little bit of power. See guys, that's the thing. This is how your partner or yourself has to hold the pads, you know, when you do a workout. A little bit of pulse, you know, not too light or not the pads, not too front, not too much in the front, not too much in the back, not too much in the side, you know. Just where is your head? Hold it like that, and with a little bit of pulse, and then your partner can throw the punches. So now let me show you how we can do it with the left and the right hand, with the both hands. So let's do this. Now we'll do it a little bit faster. And now with a little bit of power. This is the thing guys, you know, this is how you or your partner should hold the pads for you. You know, that's very important because you can do a very good training if you do it like that, you know, and that's the thing with the pads workout. And when you do a hook, now I will tell you how you can do when you throw a hook, because this depends. It will be a close hook or a long hook, and now we'll do both. First I will show you the long hook. This is the long one. You see how good he holds the pads for me, and I can throw really good, a very good hook, you know, the punch, it's there. So now I will show you the close one. This is the thing guys, this is perfect, you know, if your partner or yourself is holding like that the pads, everything will go well and everything will be good. So do it like that. And now I will show the last one, the body punch, you know, that's very important, so you can learn that. This is the body punch to the left side, yeah, to the lever. And now I will show you the right hand. See guys, this is the thing. This is how somebody will hold the pads for you, or maybe you will hold for somebody else. Like I said before, with a little bit of pulse, right where is your head or where is your stomach, or it doesn't matter, in the same position, like in the real fight, you know, like in the real sparring session or in a fight. This is very important, so you can learn something and your partner can also learn something. So that's everything for today. This was the pads workout. Thank you very much for watching, and if you like everything, my whole content, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you are not already subscribed, and we will see us in the next videos, so stay tuned.